Hey, Boxing Day. Let's get some Stoic wisdom. Hope you're all doing well. I hope you had a lovely Christmas. That's all I'm going to say about that. Let's get some wisdom, shall we? December 26th. From Seneca on the brevity of life. It's not at all that we have too short a time to live, but that we squander a great deal of it. Life is long enough, and it's given in sufficient measure to do many great things if we spend it well. But when it's poured down the drain of luxury and neglect, when it's employed to no good end, we're finally driven to see that it has passed by before we even recognised it passing. And so it is. We don't receive a short life, we make it so. Yeah, I think that's fairly straightforward and self-explanatory. Something I did last night that may be of interest to you is I removed the social media apps from my phone. It wasn't serving me. It was making me feel worse. And yet, it's become habitual. And since I took those apps off my phone, I found myself reaching my phone, picking it up, and then being like, oh yeah, putting it back down. This morning, I got up to go to the loo, grabbed my phone and my glasses, and then I was like, oh, there's no point in taking my phone. Put it back down. So I want to get that habit out of my system because it doesn't serve me. And I want to spend my time in a more useful way. So this afternoon, I've been sitting with my guitar book, which has been on my to-do list, I think since, well, during this particular phase of going through it, because I've had numerous attempts. 2020, end of 2020, into 21, I decided I was going to start going through it, and the way to do it, to make myself accountable, was that I was going to record all of the exercises and put them on my YouTube channel, which I've been doing. It's on my other channel. I've got a guitar channel. So I've been putting them out there, but heavens above, it's taken a long time. But rather than regret all those days when I wasted time and didn't achieve my goals, I'm starting from today. Always start from right now. Let's not look back at the things we haven't done and feel bad about it. Let's get on to the things that we want to do and start them now. So that's what I did. I tabbed one out in software because that helps me to read notation, which is one of the big reasons for going through this. It helps me understand note durations, etc. And this one, exercise 126, was really challenging to write out because it's got two voices. And I struggled a bit. Thankfully, I've got a daughter who's at music school, so I was able to ask for her help, which she gave me. And I was able to finish notating it. I haven't practiced it and played it yet. I'm going to maybe do that later on. But using time more wisely. And I think that this book, not only is it teaching me that that's a good thing, as if I didn't know, it's also in itself a good thing. So reading this book is time used wisely. And at the moment, I'm listening to Ali Abdaal talking with one of the authors, Ryan Holiday, on his podcast called Deep Dive, that one. And it's really good. Ali Abdaal's just written a book, which I might read, probably not, but I might. But they're discussing things like how to use your time wisely and all sorts of other things. So it's something I'm glad I've got in my life. I've been following Ryan Holiday for 2 or 3 years, something like that. And the Stoic school of philosophy really appeals to me, but I've never really made it a habitual practice. So that's what this is about. By going through this, by distilling it every day and talking about what I'm learning from it here, it's given me so much more from this book. And they discuss the book on the podcast, and Ryan Holiday talks about how he sends out a newsletter on Daily Stoicism. I don't know how often because I don't subscribe to it, but he said that you can't help but become more stoic when you're studying this stuff every day and distilling it down in order to create new content about it. So that's what this is as well. This is a way not only of reading the book, but of making something of it. So if you're looking for something useful going into the next year, you could certainly do a lot worse than pick up a copy of this. And if you want to read their synopses, they're all in here. If you want to stay with me and listen to mine, I would be overjoyed with that. But honestly, the biggest reason for my doing this is for myself. And if that helps you, so much the better. So there we go. Wee bit of banter for Boxing Day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.